Hi guys, so today I will tell you how to download Java development kit and how to run your first Java program. So first of all we will write JDK for Windows 10 64-bit because mine is of 64-bit. So 64-bit. Okay. Now select this one, textpod.com. It's where from I downloaded earlier. Where was it? Yeah, here it is. So go for this site, then download for Windows 64-bit. Okay, from this link. Go for that link. Then download for 64-bit. Now the download will be automatically started. But I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel the new one. Okay, cancel. And let us then go for the command prompt from here. You just have to write cmd in the search bar. Now we have to change directory, so cd and slash to go to the root directory. So where my programs folder was, so let us go to the file. It was in the C, coding, and then Java programs. So I'm gonna write the same path over here. So coding, Java programs. Okay, so now I will check it out. Okay, the file name should be same as the class name, so I'm gonna change this one. It's gonna be hello world. Okay, save. Control S. Now let us run this with the Java compiler in the command prompt only. In Java we use system.out.println to print the string on the output screen. So let us write Java C for Java compiler and file name, that is hello world.java. So no errors. So let us run this. Look over there was a class file created because we compiled it already. Now Java and file name. So Java and then file name. Okay, hello world is printed beautifully. So like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. I will be uploading more videos, so stay tuned for it and comment down below if you are having any doubts.